Is this the cutest creature you've ever seen on a kitchen counter? Thanks to puff pastry, your basic baked brie becomes a totally spooky Halloween appetizer. It's perfect for your haunted party spread, and the final product is totally centerpiece worthy as well. Christy Denney is joining me with the recipe for baked mummy brie. It's so good to see you.
Nice to see you.
This has to be the Halloween showstopper when you walk into a party carrying that tray.
Absolutely. So every year before everyone goes trick-or-treating, I just let the kids invite whoever they want, and we have a pre-party every year. So we do like white chicken chili, a bunch of appetizers. This is always there just so they like kind of get something in their stomach before they go eat a bunch of candy.
Before you choke down 20,000 Tootsie Rolls, let's have some food in our system. All right, how do you make this, Christy?
All right, so you start with puff pastry. These usually come in sheets of 2.
And these are the peelable, right?
They're in the freezer section.
Okay.
Yeah, so when it bakes, it's like pretty fluffy and lots of layers. So you just start with this, and you're gonna roll it out a little bit, just so we're gonna use the excess to create our mummy, the wrapping. So you can really just let it sit at room temperature for about 10 minutes. And then we're gonna put our wheel of brie. You can use, it's just a cute little wheel of brie. Do you like brie?
I do. Okay.
I
don't cook with it or serve it often, so if you aren't familiar, you want this casing on.
Yes, you do. It kind of holds it all in when you bake it, so you definitely want to leave that on.
Where are you getting brie?
Oh, it's just at the grocery store. Buy all the cheeses. I promise. This was like $3.
I've never purchased brie. I've enjoyed brie at a restaurant or two.
You are going to. So we're just going to cut off the edges. This is just going to be our mummy, because we don't need quite all of this. So another thing that I do, like at Thanksgiving, is I'll take these little things right here and I'll stamp out the edges so that you have cute little leaves to put on top, right? Okay. This is super versatile, and you can use it any time of year. All right, so we got...
pick your holiday, pick your shape, and you've got a variation of this
Okay, so we're gonna start with a little, these are cinnamon sugar nuts. Can you smell these?
Yes, I can. Yes.
Yes,
delicious.
right?
Smells like fall.
We're gonna put that on top, and then we're gonna put some brown sugar. This is easy. I've been making this for 20 years.
All before we wrap it, we're stuffing it?
Yes, yes.
I thought it was just brie inside. It's even better.
Yeah. Well, I might have been heavy-handed on the brown sugar.
It's Halloween.
It's fine.
We're going to be eating, like I said, 20,000 Tootsie Rolls after this anyway. So what's a little more sugar?
So like at Thanksgiving, I would put maybe some cranberry sauce in there. Ooh. Or like that one over there, I did some dried cranberries.
Oh my goodness, look how cute. Okay, we'll get to that in a minute.
So versatile. So you're just going to kind of bring it up here.
Sorry, I just squirreled.
You squirreled?
I was like, look at that.
No, that is totally me. I always squirrel. So you're just going to bring it up and kind of wrap it and pinch it together, and yeah, like so. So you can use an egg wash with just a little egg.
Why is your egg wash orange?
It's because it's, pasture-raised eggs.
Oh,
that's
look
why.
at you.
Yeah. So we're just gonna pinch this together. It doesn't have to be perfect, I promise. That just helps it kind of stick. Okay. And then we're gonna start mummying it.
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, do you wanna do a strip?
Yeah, I do.
And the great thing about this is like, it does not have to be perfect.
Any which way?
Any which way, we're just gonna keep on going.
Taking off the
I mean, you kind of want the peeking out of the eyes. That's the mummy feature, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you got this. You got this. And just tear and tuck. I mean, it does not have to be perfect.
Do I wash it again after we've wrapped it?
Let's wash it again. So we're gonna wash it again, and what that does is it makes the puff pastry like nice and crusty and golden. Yes. Exactly. It adds color. That's funny that you asked about the egg.
Well, I assumed.
My husband's like, you're using my nice eggs? Like, these are the...
Tell him thank you. Tell him I noticed and I appreciated it.
I will tell him.
I mean, we've got a Halloween colored egg wash here.
Yes,
it's perfect.
Absolutely. Okay, so we're gonna bake this for like 20 to 25 minutes.
Just on a cookie sheet?
We're gonna put it over here on a cookie sheet.
Okay, yes.
And then, so we're just gonna bake this for about 20 to 25 minutes. And then when it's done, that's when let's pretend it's done.
It's done.
I mean, we haven't. We're gonna put the eyes. This is just sliced almonds. You can use whatever you want. Apples.
This is the cutest, Christy.
I know, right?
Yes.
And then you're done. And so,
And then how am I eating it?
How are you eating it? Can we cut into this one?
I would love to. I mean, I didn't want to invite myself over, but yeah,
let's do. This one I put the little leaves on, but let's cut into it. Okay.
And this is how, if you were serving it, you would
If I was serving it, the great thing about this is you don't have to babysit it. You can serve it like room temperature, warm, cold.
What is happening?
Oh, I put cranberry sauce in because this one. Did I cut it? Good enough?
Look, I'm sorry. I die. Like, I just want to eat that. And a cracker, like a dippable?
Oh, yes. So let's go to our dippables.
Let's go.
All right. So for Thanksgiving, I just used some of this baker's twine, and I wrapped it around before I baked it.
This is what I was, like, distracted by. Is this beautiful? How pretty would that be on Thanksgiving table?
And then just a cinnamon stick and some sage for the leaves. And you can use Nilla's, Ritz crackers, crostini. So for the mummy one, Harmon's had these cute little ghosts that you can dip in it.
Perfect.
And then can we talk about the apples real quick?
Brie and apples.
Brie and apples, that's my favorite combo. But just a quick tip. So these ones I soaked in salt. You just add a teaspoon of salt to like 2 cups of water, and they will not brown.
Look at that.
So this one, I did not do that, and look at how much I cut them at the same time, and look how different those are.
Hello, soak in salt, people. You'll think of Christy every time you do it now. So sweet or savory dippers, it can go either way.
Yes, totally.
This is amazing. And everyone's going to ask about your candles. They're an oldie but a goodie. We don't know where you got them. Aren't those magical? This whole spread, I mean, all you need is one party showstopper, and you've got yourself a party. Christy, thank you so much. We'll post the tutorial for this on our website, but you should be following Christy to get more fantastic recipes like this. How can we connect?
I'm at thegirlwhoateeverything.com.
I love your name.
On Instagram, everywhere,
The Girl Who Ate Everything. Give her a follow. We'll link her Instagram and website from our website too. Happy Halloween. This was so fun. And a family tradition, so thanks for sharing with us.
Yes, we always have this. For 20 years I've been doing this.
Pre-Halloween Brie. I love it. Thanks, Christy. Great job.